Coming up, I'm going to let you know the 7 activities that great marketers have on their to-do list every day. Let's get started. If you're new here, my name is Matthew Royce and I am a knowledge enthusiast. I love working with digital marketers like you and to share my knowledge of digital marketing. On this channel, I will provide you with weekly tips on how you can grow your digital marketing career. Successful marketing is about engaging in the right activities, focusing on the right priorities, and placing bets on the marketing efforts that will pay off in the short and long term. It's a great time to be a marketer, but it doesn't come easy. There are many to-do items on your list, such as marketing campaigns, budgets, and goals. The bottom line is that you need to do a handful of things every day to be successful. What daily activities do marketers practice to become great at their profession? What are the steps they need to do to make it a routine? What do you need to focus on to see improvements in your marketing? Here are 7 activities that great marketers do every day. Number 1, they develop a plan and track against goals. The smartest marketers set goals. When you have goals in place, you can define success. Great marketers develop a plan and track against those goals every day. One of those goals is to increase lead generation. Successful marketers know that if leads are not flowing from marketing to sales, sales will distrust marketing. Great marketers have a lot on their plate, so they plan to prioritize their day-to-day activities. They establish their priorities for the day and determine what needs to be done. Once successful marketers reach their goals, they set new ones and refine their plans. Number 2, they listen and follow their competition. Great marketers look at their competition by visiting their websites and following them on social media. They find out who their top competitors are and keep track of what they are doing with social listening tools such as BuzzSumo, Google Alerts, and Hootsuite. Successful marketers want to know how they stack up against their competition and even share their content. One of the ways that great marketers follow the competition is by seeing where they rank for specific keywords. If they rank in the top 10 search results, they build better content to beat their competition. Successful marketers identify areas in their marketing efforts to improve against their competition and pounce on the opportunity to get better. Number 3, they analyze the data. Successful marketers know that numbers are essential to success. They live in spreadsheets and understand the critical marketing metrics that the C-suite cares about. Great marketers understand that marketing data must mean something to the business and guide decision-making around a company's marketing strategy. Great marketers know that the C-suite is looking for a return on their investment. They know that vanity metrics like the number of social media followers will not move the needle. A great marketer measures their efforts every day to determine what they need to do to tweak things. They analyze the data to figure out why certain marketing activities worked or didn't work. Number 4, they experiment. The best marketers conduct a lot of tests. They know that they need to test different marketing channels, tactics, and agencies and partners to determine what does and doesn't work. Great marketers demonstrate strong technical skills to encourage more testing, such as A/B testing on landing pages and email subject lines. Great marketers know that testing can make or break conversion rates on a website. Successful marketers try to do something new every day. Number 5, they evaluate. Successful marketers evaluate their performance so they can determine where they can improve. They ask themselves questions to become more emotionally intelligent as a leader. They make sure they know their target audience and find the best ways to market to them. Great leaders evaluate if they prioritize effectively and spend their budget on the correct marketing activities. They continually assess if there's a communication gap that needs to be filled. They read the news and make sure they are learning from marketing trailblazers. The best marketers prioritize every day to keep up with the latest news and technologies to ensure their team is equipped with the skills and tools needed to succeed. They also make sure they are aligned with the sales team, adding enough value to their marketing. Number 6, they build strong relationships. Successful marketers work hard to build solid and meaningful relationships with their colleagues. They know they don't work in a vacuum, so they need to consult with their team and colleagues before making a big marketing decision. They take time every day to improve their relationships. Great marketers work hard every day to improve their communication skills because they know communication is the key to success. They know their marketing strategy is only as strong as it's communicated. The best marketers not only nurture strong relationships with their colleagues, but also with their target audience. They work with their team to survey their audience and ask them how they can help them. Number 7, they innovate by learning from others. Successful Successful marketers know what separates them from their competition is being innovative. They try new things and put ideas into action. They learn from other innovators and see how they can incorporate some of those ideas into their own marketing. With the business and marketing world constantly changing, companies need to continually look at their marketing strategy to make sure it's really a strategy. They make sure that their efforts don't remain stagnant and stale. Great marketers continually brainstorm and study their peers. They also learn from all sorts of different professions, including comedians and songwriters. They know good ideas can come from anywhere and understand that to stay on top of their mind of their craft, they must look for new ways to approach existing tasks and projects. Okay, let's bring it all together. First, if you like what you saw here, please hit the subscribe button below. Great marketers have habits they do every day to ensure they continue to be rock stars and on top of their profession. You can learn a lot from them. Great marketers know how to be effective marketers. There are specific things they need to get done every day to ensure marketing is producing significant results for the business. Thank you for watching. Until next time.